Okay, today is Saturday, February 6th or 7th. This is the family room thermostat with the smoke detector above it, number 9. And I'm still getting some kind of power running through here. And so I took these bundles and broke them up. And before I cut this one off, I want to show you the ends. You can see they are burnt. So we have burnt wiring. Sorry, I can't focus right now one-handed and hold myself up. Burned. Look at this white wire down here in front of my finger. Very badly burned. The inside of the box had a little singe to it. There is some foam in the back, but it's not excessive. The box can breathe. It's not sealed. You can see in the back here, it's not sealed. So there is some foam, and that was the previous homeowner. If that was a problem, then they should not have put these thermostats in when they did them, and that was an EWEB grant that was done. I can show you. That was Beacon Electrics that did that. That came out, and if they didn't like the way things looked, they would have stopped the job, but they went ahead and installed. But you can see right here, that's a pretty badly singed wire, and that's what I've been breathing. So now you can see that one's clipped off. I'm gonna put a nut on it, and then I'm gonna clip these off. I'm probably gonna cut them a little short because I'm gonna just abandon this whole system, and then we can save this little pigtails for later. All right, so here's the wires, and that I'm gonna hold on to. I've got, let's see, 2, 4, 6 wire nuts in here now. Everything is sealed up, so I'm gonna put a plate on this, and let's go look at the box real quick. And just to document here that each thermostat is going to get its own bag, so that we'll have individual parts that are going to be, these I will seal up. It'll get a label. This will be number 9 with that thermostat, and it'll get taped to the old thermostat. So I'm going to keep those together. All right, so we're out here at the circuit panel, and I have relabeled stuff. It looks just a little bit different with the masking tape as I get stuff figured out. This is Beacon that came out and replaced the thermostats. So, and then here was when Premier came out to do the heat pump. But you can see that there was replace stats. Okay, so that's when they came out. I didn't do those. So I've only had an electrician working on these heat circuits. There's never been me working on, I have changed outlets and I have changed some switches. Otherwise, I have not worked on this electrical. Just so everybody's clear. All right, let's get into the laundry room here, because I think this one is crossed over and it's feeding. You see my face is red again from the chemicals. They were really bad. I'm going to do this last one and cap it, and then I'm going to, here in the laundry, so there's a washer. And then here's the wall that I cut open. Right there's the thermostat. That was the problem, and I knew that it were right here, and that's why I came in the laundry room side to cut a opening here. And I went and tried to sniff in here, and I couldn't find a positive result. And I think that was my sniffer machine wasn't accurate enough. So Yeah. So, of course, the Wi-Fi is off, so I can't tell you for sure, but it's about 2 o'clock right now. There we go. Now it's not military time, so it's about 2:40. I'm pretty worn out because even though it's 2:40, I have been fighting this electrical since it woke me up at like 6:37 a.m. this morning. This has just been exhausting, one thing after another. And I think that I got to stop the dance. So I'm going to pull these thermostats, and then I'm going to watch the air. If it doesn't clear, we're going to a motel.